Okay, welcome to the uh, collar tie video one more time. Last time I made a mess of this, and thanks to the great Glenn Woodward, he straightened me out on this. If I want to put a collar tie in here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a joist, my own man-made joist. I can't copy a joist because I'll lose it. And there's my joist. And I'm going to make that joist material out of uh, red brick, R-E-D. There it is. Perfect. Okay, and now you should be able to see it, I think. And I'm going to make it 12 inches deep. I'm going to lock the bottom height. I want to lock the bottom height. Right now I want to lock the bottom height and make it 14 inches thick. Now here is the issue with this thing. Oh, why don't I see the full height of it? Oh, because I got a wall in the way? What am I looking at? Where is it at? What the heck? It's 14 inches thick, right? Oh, I can't get tied into this crap. What's in my way? Why don't I see the full thing? You. 14 inches thick. That show 14 inches thick. I don't know why. I don't know why. Is that weird? Now it's showing up full height. All right. Anyway, there it is. That's my thing. And what I was doing is I was raising this collar tie up here, and it was squaring up. Well, Glenn Woodward says, "Well, pull it back into here, you nitwit." There you go. And now you got your collar tie. Is that cool or what? Pull up a little bit further. It's going to pop out the side. Pull it back in, and it's going to be. And I don't know. I don't know where the magic spot is. I'm going to change the depth again to 5.5. Check that out. It doesn't automatically update. You got that? Now it will. And so you got to pull it over here to where? Right there? Is that what you got to do? No? Pull it over a little bit further? Yeah, now it starts. Now you get your collar tie the way it should be, I guess. And now you can copy this over and over and over again, right? Oh, here's a collar tie right here. I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna fill it with yellow, solid fill of red. Okay, just so you can see it. Now I'm gonna pull it over to. I think it should butt right into my rafter. Yep, see, it's gonna stop right at my rafter. And there it is. Perfect. Those are my collar ties. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Now let's go ahead and let's see if we can put a purlin in here. Let's put a purlin in here for the fun of it. Should I make my purlin out of a rafter? Let's try that. There's my purlin. Not good. Can I select this thing U and make it manual? Yeah, manual height. There we go. So now, oh boy. So I guess you can pull your purlin down like this, and you can make it a 5.5-inch purlin. The problem with that is it's typically at an angle, because if you know how they do this thing, what they do is they build a brace here, and I haven't figured this out yet. Boop, bam, and I'm going to make it. It's a brace, is what it is, right? 1.5. That's made out of concrete. That's perfect. And what I want to do is I want to make this thing. I want to make this thing perpendicular to the rafter, right? So I go 2-2, rotate entire polyline, and it didn't rotate. Why didn't it rotate? It should have rotated. Try it this way. Wait, here, 2. Why did it square up like that? Oh, because it was a vertical line? Wait, W. 2-2. 2-2. No. 2-2. Whoa. 2-2. Make it parallel. Yes, now it's parallel. And now I come over here and I go 2-2. Rotate entire. Yes, perfect. And I want to rotate that thing to. Now what am my line? There it is. I want to make this parallel with, I thought I could do, why doesn't this thing rotate? You get what I'm saying? To make it, why is it perpendicular? I don't know why. I thought I could do it that way. Anyway, here's a braze. Okay, here's my braze. I'm gonna braze it down to that wall. It's a 2x4 kick or whatever. And then I guess what you have to do is you have to kind of size it a little bit. Suppose I do this 2-2, just to select a line. Yeah, there. Now that's better, right? Okay. Now that's my brace, and I think we all know that we want that purlin. You think I can make this parallel to, I can't make that parallel. Okay, so anyway, I tried a Raptor. A Raptor didn't work. So what about roof blocking? Let's try roof blocking. There's your roof blocking, guys. You got one. Oh. Where'd it go? I lost it. Oh. Let me see if I can do it again. I don't get into this that much. Let's try roof beam first. Just because I want to. Okay, there's my roof beam. Now I want to move this roof beam up to, say, right here. And it should be manually. Where'd it go? This should be easier than this. Is that my roof beam? Tab. U. 3.5. Well, it's already a 3.5. Where is it? Is that my roof beam? U. 5.5. I don't know. This isn't working out very good at all, is it? Delete it. Delete it. I just deleted that purlin. I like my roof blockings. This is in here still. U. That's my roof blocking. Manual height. Change it to manual height. And now I move it down to here. Now you got a purlin. U. 1.5. Put it right there. Okay, you like that? Is that working pretty good for you, good buddy? Can I rotate that thing? I think I can rotate it along the x-axis, but I don't think I can rotate it around the longitudinal axis, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, I just put a purlin in there, and then yeah. So purlin's made out of a piece of blocking, because it's automatically. Let's try another beam. Let's put this beam right there. And it's 3. I'm gonna make it 5.5 because I want to. 5.5. Okay. Why does it keep disappearing on me? Oh, there it is again. But now I want to make it a manual Raptor height, which means I can kind of control it better. Now I want to pull it up to here. And see, that could be a purlin, of course, but I don't think I can. How about you? Material, Raptor, plan material. How about stack stone? Okay. So holy moly, man. Oh, W. timer up. I think I've just about done this. So I was able to make a purlin pretty easily. F6. I was able to make a purlin pretty easily. There's my beam right there. Now, if I want to rotate that beam, see, nothing on materials, nothing on fill, nothing on line style, general, angle. How about 45? Let's just check and see what happens with 45. See, oh, check that out. It shows in here in 45. Shows in here in 45. In the sections that it shows a 45. In plan views it shows a 45. But in this, it doesn't show a 45, does it? God damn it. Every time I try to do this kind of stuff, it's like, oh, by heck and by golly. I mean, oh, now it's generated correctly. Okay. So what was the point? I can rotate it around the z-axis, I guess, but not the. Anyway, you can see what I can do and can't do. Back to 0. Yep, it's back to 0 in plan view and in this view, but in this view it's not automatic. Oh, here 3D rebuild 3D. I bet it builds right. Yep. Now you had to rebuild the 3D. That's weird. I never noticed it. Sometimes you have to do it. Sometimes you don't. So here's your purlin right here, guys. This is really pretty cool. I mean, I've never had to deal with it. I guess I don't, or I'm too lazy or something. Right there, object. .3D. Rebuild 3D. Holy camoly, man. Is my computer freaking out or what? What is going on with my computer this morning? Alt J. You think I'm doing all sorts of funny stuff with this darn thing? I got to end this thing. Anyway. Anyway, the point of this thing was I was able to put a kicker in there, and that had to be a piece solid. I don't know how else to do it, but a piece solid. I was able to put a purlin in there, and I was able to put in cross ties. And if you want multiple cross ties, you just simply go 48 and 4 copies. I think my rafters are at I think 60 inches on center. Yeah, and so now I got all my cross ties. That's pretty cool. Oh boy, that's the end of that mess.